this is Tricia. It is a Sunday, and I've got a little project that I decided to do this very last minute. And this is a mirror that I have here in front. It is a white framed mirror. It's got a wood frame all the way around it. This is a mirror that I had in my bathroom, and I'm going to hang it back up. But I wanted to show you something. Before I hang it back up, I thought of an idea. I have these tile blocks here, little rectangle squares, whatever you want to call them. These are sold, you know, by the foot, the square foot each. And I bought enough of these to put in my shower. I had my bathroom remodeled. So they took out a tub and they put in a shower. And this is a border. And they used 4 lines of this white to do a border inside of my shower. And I'll be showing you that at a later date. But I wanted to show that I had this piece left over and a little bit left over of another square foot piece. And I've gone ahead and I've removed each of these little individual tiles. All of these little tiles are attached together with a mesh behind them, just like this. And so what I had done is that I removed each of these. I have been peeling them off from here, and any little bits that are left behind, I just go ahead and peel them off as well. There's a little bit of texture on here left behind from that, I guess from the glue for this mesh was put on there. I'm not going to worry about it. That's perfectly fine. What I want to do with these little pieces is, because I have this lovely white wooden frame and it's really nice, but I want to bring the tile from the shower out into the rest of my bathroom. So my idea was to take all these little tiles and just line them up randomly, just like they are on these little tiles. And how far apart am I going to put them? That's going to depend on how many will fit nicely along the bottom and then around the side, all the way around. And I'm just going to use my hot glue gun to glue these on. These are just little glass ceramic tiles or whatever, and this is just wood, so I think my glue gun will work just fine. And depending on how they can fit on here, like I said, that'll determine the spacing. So what I want to do first, before I start gluing anything down, I'm going to remove as many as I can, and I'm going to go around, and I'm just going to place them on there. We're going to take a look at it, and then I'm going to go ahead and start gluing them once I've decided their placement. So this is my little craft project, and let me get started on this by pulling all of these out of here. All these little tiles on the edges around on the wooden frame of my mirror, and I've placed them more or less where I want them. I'm going to straighten them out a little bit more, and then I'm going to go ahead and start gluing, just lifting up, putting glue, and then placing it back down in the spot that I had chosen for it. So these are just kind of randomly placed on there. They're not quite aligned yet, but they are where more or less I want them. So now I'm just going to glue them down, and we'll get to the next step. So here is the mirror all finished. I've got the frame all done with all the tiles as I just showed you, and I just wanted you to see it one last time. This is my little project for Sunday night. This will be in my bathroom soon, and I will be showing you a little tour. I do want to do a couple more little crafts that will go in that bathroom, so I'll do those for this video, or possibly to be following this video. I hope you liked and you enjoyed this little craft idea. Give me a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Leave a nice comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. and share on your social medias. And as always, enjoy.